Islamic Impact on Social Status and Rights of Women. The advent of Islam brought about significant changes to the social status and rights of women in Arabia. Prior to Islam, women in pre-Islamic Arabia had varied roles and experiences, with some enjoying more freedoms and influence, while others faced social restrictions and limited rights. Islam introduced reforms that aimed to uplift the status of women, grant them greater rights, and ensure their dignity and equality. Here are some ways in which the advent of Islam impacted the social status and rights of women in Arabia. Recognition of women's rights. Islam recognized women as individuals with inherent rights. It emphasized the dignity and worth of women as equal human beings, with the same spiritual status as men. This recognition laid the foundation for improving their social status and rights. Prohibition of female infanticide. Islam condemned and prohibited the practice of female infanticide, which was prevalent in pre-Islamic Arabia. The Quran explicitly denounced the killing of female infants, emphasizing the value of every human life. Right to inheritance. Islam granted women the right to inherit property and wealth. The Quran introduced reforms in inheritance laws, ensuring that women receive a fair share of inheritance, whether as daughters, wives, mothers, or sisters. Marriage and consent. Islam introduced reforms in marital practices. It emphasized the importance of mutual consent in marriage, prohibiting forced marriages. Women were given the right to accept or reject marriage proposals, and their consent became a fundamental requirement for a valid marriage. Prohibition of forced marriages and dowry abuse. Islam strictly prohibited forced marriages, giving women the right to freely choose their spouses. It also discouraged excessive dowry practices, emphasizing that marriage should not be a financial burden on women or their families. Right to divorce. Islam granted women the right to seek divorce, known as khula. If a woman faced an unhappy or abusive marriage, she had the right to initiate divorce proceedings and seek dissolution of the marriage. Economic rights and financial independence. Islam encouraged women's economic participation and granted them the right to own, manage, and dispose of property. Women were allowed to engage in trade, business, and economic activities, enabling them to attain financial independence. Education and knowledge. Islam emphasized the importance of knowledge and education for both men and women. It encouraged women to seek knowledge, participate in intellectual pursuits, and engage in learning and teaching. Protection and honor. Islam emphasized the protection and honor of women. It condemned practices such as slander, defamation, and mistreatment of women. Islam introduced strict rules regarding modesty and interaction between genders to safeguard women's dignity and honor. It is important to note that the implementation and interpretation of Islamic teachings regarding women's rights have varied across different cultures and historical contexts. While Islam introduced reforms to uplift the status of women, societal and cultural factors have influenced the extent to which these rights have been realized in different societies.